Hey there, fragrance lovers, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Rose, the perfume lady. If you are new here, welcome. For those of you love you return subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Today I have kind of like a little exciting video for you. I'm going to explore 3 affordable niche fragrances that you can add to your collection without breaking the bank. So those fragrances are all under $120, and I'm going to tell you where you can find them to purchase them for under $120. So let's dive right into it and discover those hidden gems I'm going to share with you. Quote of the day: memory is the perfume of the soul. George Sand. Definitely, memory is definitely the perfume of the soul. All right, we're back. Let's talk about these 3 beautiful, affordable, niche fragrances that you can add to your collection without breaking the bank. They are lovely, they are great. My first beautiful niche fragrance is Tango from Masque Milano. This is the first perfume that I have from this house, and I am extremely impressed with this house so far, just on one fragrance. Okay, I know I'm crazy, I shouldn't say that. I should at least try 3 or 4 of the fragrances before I say that I'm impressed. But hey, this is Dr. Rose here. All of you know that we've already established that I'm crazy. So let's get with it. Alright. This scent is perfect for those who love complex and exotic scent. Okay. This is woody. It has some top notes of amber, benzoin, and this fragrance offers a unique, captivating aroma. Okay. The best part about this baby is that you can find it for under $100 from Joma Shop. It's jomashop.com, and I'm not getting anything from Joma Shop for telling you where you can buy this fragrance. I'm just sharing where I was able to purchase it, because our other friend Lucky Scent has it for a lot more money. But you can find it from Joma Shop for under $100. And sometimes if you're a new customer, you can also get a coupon for $20, an extra $20 coupon, which you will end up paying almost maybe $65–70 for this beautiful fragrance. I recommend this scent for winter nights and fall nights, and also for romantic dates. I am not going on a romantic date. Well, I'm going on a date with my bed because it's midnight and I'm recording videos. But whew, boy, this is sexy as hell. Next up, it's a fragrance that I've had 5 bottles from this fragrance in the last 3 years. Okay, I wear the heck out of this fragrance and I can never get enough of it. This is Jasminisha, which is the secret collection from Moresque Perfume. Okay, this is another budget-friendly option for niche fragrance enthusiasts. This scent features a beautiful jasmine, orange blossom, vanilla. Oh, making it an excellent choice for jasmine lover. If you are a jasmine lover, you must have this in your collection. Look at the bottle. The bottle is also gorgeous. Beautiful bottle. Okay. The target audience for this is both men and women. So you guys can just have 1 bottle for the house. You don't need to have 2. You can usually find this for around $90 from Fragrance Buy, Fragrance Net, Fragrance X, a lot of places. Okay, but I do know that Fragrance Buy and Fragrance Net carries them sometimes, and they sell out pretty quickly when they have them. So you might have to just put your email address, and when they restock them, and then you will be able to find them. Give this a try, you know, for daytime, for lunch, sporting events, and even work. I would wear this to work. I wear this to work a lot. I wear it to work a lot. I also wear it to bed a lot of times also. It's such a mesmerizing jasmine fragrance and long lasting. You will enjoy wearing this. Look at, check out the beautiful bottle. It's such a gorgeous bottle also for gorgeous perfume. All right, the last fragrance, affordable niche fragrance for under $100 is 100 Silent Ways by Nishane. Oh, this affordable niche fragrance here is perfect for those who love tuberose, like me, like my friend Lulu, who love tuberose fragrances. It's a little fruity, it has a little gardenia, a little sandalwood. This scent opens up a little warm with some beautiful fruits, okay? It's priced just under $100. Not this size, I think, you know, maybe a different size, the 1.7, or sometimes you can find the 100 ml also if you're lucky for maybe 120. This fragrance offers a luxurious experience without the hefty price tag. It's perfect for going out, so don't miss out on this beautiful fragrance. This is a fantastic find for those of you who really want a little fruity fragrance in your fragrance cabinet. It's such a sexy perfume. It's a niche fragrance, and you guys know that you would love this. So on the bottle here it says, the note says mandarin, tuberose, peach, white jasmine, gardenia, orange, vanilla, sandalwood, and vetiver. This is so beautiful. You will wear the heck out of this fragrance, and remember, it's under $100. And there you have it, my fellow fragrance lovers. 3 affordable niche fragrances that you can add to your collection without breaking the bank. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you're able to find those fragrances if you so choose to purchase maybe one of them. And don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment. Let me know if you are planning on buying one of these fragrances, or if you already have them, let me know what you think of them. And more importantly, stay healthy, smell great, and be happy. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you next time. Thanks now. Bye.